How to change background image in Canva. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser. Once you've opened your browser, go to canva.com and sign into your Canva account. So for today's video, we're going to be focusing on a Canva tool right here that actually helps you blur out, not really blur out, but like change the background image of a specific photo that you have right there. So in order for us to do this, we already know what Canva can do basically. So we have the documents, the whiteboard, presentation, social media videos, and we can even make websites here at Canva. So in order for us to make use of this one, we actually need to have a pro account. So there are two types of accounts, the pro and the free one. So if you avail of the free account, then you will be able to experience only a limited template or elements in Canva. But if you do have the pro account, then you will have a wider selection or range of the templates and elements that you will be using, and even the tools, especially the tools here in Canva. So don't worry guys, because Canva offers a 30-day free trial. If you would want to go to free, you could also do that right there. All right, so let me show you the three prices or the three plans that Canva offers. So the free plan, the pro plan, and the teams. So for the teams, it's actually for people working in a group or in a specific team. Now let's create our design in here. Just click on create design in the upper right hand section. And for this one, I'm gonna choose Instagram posts. Say for example, alright, so let's click on Instagram post. Now it will route us to a separate page, which is our blank page, basically. Let's just wait for it to load right here. Alright, so as you can see, we can see our panels right here in the left hand side. Click on the uploads and choose a photo that you would like to upload. Alright, so for this video, I will be using this photo that I have. So basically, I just want to focus on my face. So my face would be our element for today's video. You can simply drag it in the board. Okay, let's just try to resize it manually right here. So let me just simply resize it. All right, and let's fit it into the square. All right, so there you have it. We have our picture right there. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to go to edit photo section here. Alright, in your edit photo section, you will see tools. Under tools, there's a background remover. Again guys, this is only available for pro users. For free accounts, avail the 30-day free trial basically. Alright, now let's try to edit more. So if you want to adjust more, then you can actually click on this one. And there in the brush size, you can choose your brush size by just sliding this button right through. I'm just gonna use a very small brush size, since basically it has removed, you know, the background in my picture already. All right, so let me just go through the process. So this is not only good for pictures, but basically if you do have like a specific photo and there is actually like an element that you want to focus on, then that's actually good for those kinds of photos right there. Right, I just need to be very careful right here. You see, you will be able to have a crack if you know, do that. So we can actually reset the background and we can use the background remover again for this one. All right. I think this is already good to go. Let's just edit a bit here in the hairline section. All right, just be very careful when you do this one. You might need to reset the background again. All right, so there you have it. Okay, once done, we can actually go back. And here we have successfully removed the background. Now I will be choosing a filter because I want to, play around with the picture that I have in here. So let's see all the filter options that we have. So I'm gonna use Flint right here. Let me try the other one. All right. So for this photo, I'm gonna use Flint. And then the next step that we're going to do is to go to our panel right here and go to the photos section. All right. So we can go to elements rather. So let's go to elements. Right. We can have our brand templates as well. But basically you can simply right click on that one and then you are going to go to photos basically and look for background, and there you will see a selection of backgrounds right there in your photo section in the panel of your Canva page. Now let's try to place the background. Right click on the background and simply click on layers and click on overlapping. Now we are going to detach image from the background. The next thing that we're going to do is to fit in the background into our square. All right, and then let's just position our picture wherever we would like to, basically. Right, so that's how we are going to change the background here at canva.com. So you can simply post this on your Instagram and whatnot, and that's how you edit a photo basically. The next thing that you can do is to simply download and use the file type that suits you best and simply hit on download right here. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helps you a lot. Bye!